Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for joining my channel. I'm at Point Lookout, New York, and we're going to do a deep sea fishing. Today, we are targeting fluke, sea bass, porgies, or any other fish that's by the hook. Weather look great. Hopefully, you'll have a good time. We use bucktail and the teaser setup, add gulp and a squid for the bait.
Get a net over here.
Net, starboard side!
New York regulation limits 3 fluke per person at 19 inch and above. Let's do something now. Oh, fall off. Wow, that's good. That is big. Nice, beautiful fish. Too small. Very big shore.
What's the size? 19?
Fish on there.这够长的，多长啊？Small. Huh? Big one? Good size. Look up. Do this.
Get a net over here.
Net, starboard side!
one was the hook is somewhat different. Feels very heavy. Hey, this one. So this, huh?
A nice
Is it?
one, man. What was it?
I think it might be nice. Big enough? Is it big enough? Good, I got.
Head shape though, so maybe it's skate? You?
Something. Whoa, sea bass. Look at sea bass.
Kick his ass, you bet.
I don't know. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my kitchen. My son and I both leave it out for the Fluke during this trip. Today, with fresh catch, I would like to share with you a sushi recipe. It's called Tamaki and the Inari Sushi. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. To fillet the fish, start back of the fish and moving the blade against the backbone and work towards the belly. Here's a piece of the fillet. Do the same on the other side of the fish. Cut the fillet in half for easy removal of the skin. Now cut some thin slices and prepare some small dices. Prepare some avocado dices as well. Chop some pickled ginger. To make inari sushi, add pickled ginger and sashimi to the sushi rice and mix well. Add mayonnaise and sriracha to the fish dice and mix well. This bean-curd sushi pouch can be purchased from our Oriental store. Fill up the tofu pouch with sushi rice halfway. Finish the inari sushi by topping with diced fish meat, avocados, or masago. To make the tamaki sushi, spread the sushi rice on half of the nori sheet. Add seasoning, fish slices, and grains on top of the rice. Wrap the nori sheet to form a cone shape. Top with some masago, avocados, or spicy fish. These are inari and tamaki sushis made with fluke fish. They are simple and tasty. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.